Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see what is the name of e-commerce tracking event. When you are going to track an e-commerce website, you will need four things, which name is view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. When we set these four events in our tag manager, we will get data correctly. That means we will be able to know who entered our website and what they clicked on. So our first event name is view item. What is view item? View item means triggered when a user views a product page. Like, we need to go to our Google Tag Manager and open our Tag Manager ID. Now click on preview. Then click on connect. Okay, our website and tag assistant will open. Now we go to our website. Suppose it's your website and it's your tag assistant. And I am just a customer. As a customer, I'm visiting your website and I will now click on a product of your website. Like I click on blue denim shorts. Here I clicked, it means I viewed a product. What we call view item event. You can see your tag assistant and look, view item tag is fire. I think you understand what is view item. Now, our next event name is add to cart. What is add to cart? Add to cart means triggered when a user adds a product to their shopping cart. I'm showing it practically so that it is easier to understand you. Okay, I need to back our Google Tag Manager. Okay, as a customer, I back to your website. Then click on add to cart. When I click on the add to cart of this product, you can see it your tag assistant. Like this add to cart tag. That means you will understand that someone has visited your website and clicked on add to cart. I hope you understand what is add to cart. Now our next event name is checkout or begin checkout. Triggered when a user starts the checkout process. I click on view cart, then click on checkout. When I click on checkout of this product, you can see it your tag assistant. Like this begin checkout tag. So this is checkout event. Our next event name is purchase. Purchase means triggered when a user completes a purchase successfully. Back to our website, and when I confirm the order with my information, then you can see this here. Look, this purchase tag is not fired. When I click on order and now I give my information and click on place order. So I confirm the order with my information. Now we back to our tag assistant and look, purchase tag is fired. I hope you all understand these four events: view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we will see how to get this data. Until then, everyone be well and don't forget to subscribe.